Hello, how you doing, YouTube land? Okay, what I want to do is point out a couple of things with Redbubble as an example. Every platform, if you want to do any kind of design onto a product, every platform is going to have your specifications that you have to abide by in order to put your design on that product. You have to have a certain amount of space to do it. So this is what I want to do right now. I'm going to take, this is Redbubble. So I'm in my Redbubble account. I'm going to go to my dashboard. I know it says add new work, but I'm going to do it this way. Go to my dashboard and you'll see all of this right here. That will explain more information about Redbubble. We're not going to go through that at the moment for this video. What we're going to go through is what adding new work means. And I'm not going to add new work right now. I'm just going to show you something. Oh, I have to, let's see. We are going to copy something. Okay, let's go to get something. Just to put something up here. We'll find something here. For the moment, boy, let's see. I am so trying to figure out what to pick. We will pick this one. I don't think I even uploaded this one yet. So we're going to upload that one. What is the size of that one? Whoops, let's go back and look what the size of that is. I'm going to go in here and let's go look. Let's see. Online. Okay. That's a cool design, right? So this design is pretty small. This one is 500 by 100. So it's really a small design. All right. Now, if I go down through here, it's going to automatically put it on everything. I have most things disabled. You have to click on enable right here to bring it on. And I just did that to upload something else. And we're not going to upload this. I just want to show you something. So, let's look at this phone case and skins. It says 2/2 enabled. That means there's actually two products. One's a phone case, one's a skin. If we click, now what I do is I bring it up a little bit, and if you have a larger screen size, that'd be great, so you can see both of them. I need a larger image on my screen so I can see better. I have it, what do I have it in right now? 80%. So here you'll find right here, it says, this is where you can do some editing. And the editing you can do are all of these things. This is what it allows you to do. Design your products for all phone cases and skins. So that means all phone cases. Whether the camera is across or down or a great big square or whatever. And you're not going to see what it looks like 100% on different cases until after you accept the whole entire design at the end of the page. That's why I disabled many of them so that I could just put the design on one thing. So here's an example. So let's do this. So here it says replace image, so you can upload. If you click that, you can upload a different image. It opened up my image page, and so I close that. And here's the print size. If you want to create an image for this particular item right here, what you do is you create the canvas size to be 1187 by 1187 by 1852 pixels. And what that means is this right here. File, new, and then right here. So you would say 1157 and then, what is it, 18, and I'm not afraid to go click back over here like this. Go look over here, 1852, go back over here, click inside here, 1852, and there you go. And you could call this, this is, I'm in Photopea. You can do this in any, um, you know, image editing software that allows you to put the width and height of the background of the whole entire image. Okay, so let me put the phone cases and skins. Okay, and then I want to go down here. I want to make sure this says transparent. I don't want this white here. I want transparent, right? And then I want to put create. Here are some other sizes that you could create, but I'm just doing this one. If I want to just create something just for the phone case. And then I could go to, let me see, File, and then Open and Place. And I have it open on the other screen here. Let's take, let's see, let's take this one. An image I created. It's pretty big. Okay, and it's made it small enough to do this. Okay, good. All right, so I want to take, oops, wait a minute, where are you at? What? Oh, I have to, I put it over there, but then I have to still click open. All right. Then you'll get your arrows, you know, so you can stretch it onto the canvas here if you want, and design it however way you want. I'm going to do it like that. Okay. And I'm just going to leave it like that, just for the heck of it. And then I'm going to go File, and I'm going to go Export As, and I'm going to do a PNG. And I'm going to leave it that size, and I'm going to save it. I'm going to make it 100% quality. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to save it in my online store directory. I'm not showing all of my entire directory system, so let me go to there. Just going to go to there, and then I'm going to create a little folder that says phone cases and skins, which I should put that inside a folder that says Redbubble, but right now I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to put the PNG in there. All right, now I'm going to go to Redbubble. Instead of using this one, I'm going to replace the image with that size image. So I'm going to go to phone cases, and then click on that image, and then go like that, and there it is. Now I can click on edit, and look, there it is. Now if you think, oh, well, that didn't go on right, you can move it around, you know, maybe it's not perfect. And one of the things you can do, since it does look a little off, right? See the white on each side? So what you can do is a couple different things. In your original image back here, you could make it a little bigger. See, 11, so you could make it like 11, 90 by 18, instead of 52, we could say 1855. See how close that is on the edge? You could do that and then re-upload it. Now I'm going to leave it as it is for the time being. Another thing I can do, since I have this all the way around, well, except on the bottom here, but I can do this, and then it's perfectly centered. Then I have both sides have a little bit there. So what I could do is go to this background, right? And I could go to, let's see what color, like a green maybe, Each side has a little green on it, so I could go, you know, see, it shows you right there what the green looks like next to it. Then you can click on this button right here and you can drag it around and look at your image. Depending on how good your monitor is and how well you can see it, you know, you can get it pretty close, I suppose, right? And again, this is just how you're uploading it. You don't know how it's really going to look after they're done printing it. Hopefully they print it as well as your image is. That's what you always hope for in all of these designs, because you're not the one that's actually putting on the item yourself. So let's say, no, I want to make it a little bit different. Let me see, brighter. Should I make it brighter? I like it brighter. Yeah, it kind of blends well if it's a little brighter. Okay, so we're going to leave it like that. So now I'm going, and there's the hex color. If you want to save that, you can highlight it like that, right click and save, copy it, and you can put it in a file, you know, and you can do that just like that, and then you could save the color. You could say, you know, you could go into the file where this file is, you could save that file and say that that's the side color, and that would be your notes on that color that you put in there. And if you ever want to like copy a color like that, that's what you do. You just copy that hex code right there. All right. And anyways, it is already scaled 100%. I can't make this picture any bigger. I can make it smaller, see? But I'm going to keep it at 100%. Uh-oh, it moved, right? Look at that. So what you do is click right up here. There you go. It's centered again. Click up here. There you go. It's centered the other way again. Now, the other thing that you can do, I'm going to leave the background color there. So it says choose pattern. So if I click right here, there are different patterns. Now, most of the time, if you choose a pattern, what you do, I just picked on regular grid. See how it's got squares like that? So if that works better if you lower the size, see, like this, and the patterns are straight across, and they're endless, you know? Though you can go like that if you wanted to. So you can do a lot of stuff with this. And you can move it around like that on the surface. And that's how you line it up. And these little arrows, see, there's little arrows on both sides here. That shows if I go no pattern, let me go back to no pattern. And then you see these little arrows on each corner, and that shows you that is, oh, by the way, I keep forgetting to show you this. That is the arrows on each side of the item, in this case, a phone case. You can't see the skins, and you can't see the other phone cases, like where the camera, you know, is when you're doing it. It really can be annoying. I'm going to disable all these, and then we're going to go ahead and save this just so you can see it, since we're doing all this in one video. So anyways, here is the image on what it looks like here and what it looks like here. If I have a better screen, then I can, you know, see both images together, and that's the whole idea. That's what I really want to do, right? But if I go down here, all right, let's do it this way. I go down here, now here's all the arrows. I click on regular pattern. I go back up. I see what it looks like. If I click like this, the left click, and I move it around, and I let go, then you see what it looks like up there, which is nice, except you don't know what it looks like on a different, you know, camera behind the phone. This is like behind the phone, not, you know, obviously it's the back of the phone. I don't know, you might want that to be behind the camera, you know, that would look really cool or something. But So here's an image like that, and you see what it looks like behind this particular phone. Now if I scroll down, I see the scale image is 29%, you know, and that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like with the arrows like this. You go up here and you don't see these little corners like that, right? You only see this. And that's what I'm saying. This is kind of like sort of what it looks like, not exact, you know, 100%. So you take it, see how it looks. If you do an offset, I found that that looks really good on things like, what do you call them? Shower curtains. Something like that will look good on a shower curtain, because I did that on a shower curtain with this image. But, you know, this is an idea, so you can do that too. Now, that looks nice because the camera's up there. If I go like that, it looks good on that particular phone, but you don't know what it looks like on the other phone yet. Right? So you go like this. This can be time consuming. Yes, it can. If you really want to make it, this is what designing is about, you know, moving the image around, designing it, perfecting it, how it looks on the item. So now you see how it looks on this item, which could be more of what the skin looks like. You're not sure. Let's leave it like that just for the sake of the video. We're going to go all the way down. We're going to, now I know we uploaded this image and that image. So I'm going to leave that image like that. I'm going to leave this, let's see, where do I want to do? I'm going to leave the, I want one item. Here's one item. It looks kind of funny, but okay, we're going to disable that item, disable that item. We're not going to go over every single item just for this particular video, but I can do that eventually. We're going to turn these other items off. I'm going to leave the travel mugs. Maybe, let's see. The clock. We'll turn the clock on. No, that don't look right. I don't like it. Let me see. Alright, we'll leave the water bottle. How's that? We'll just leave that for now. The original item that I uploaded. We'll leave it on the water bottle. So we're only going to have the two items. The water... Oh, the button. Oh, look at the button. Alright, we'll leave the button. The button, the water bottle. Turn that off for now. We're not going to go over these at this moment. We're going to go down here, and we're going to say this is digital art. What kind of media? And then I created these collection names. So this one will just say abstract designs, I guess. Right? And then default product in your shop. I'm going to say, where is it? Where is it? The phone case. The phone. We're just going to say the phone case. I can't even find the phone case. Okay. Alright, water bottle. We'll just put water bottle. Right? You can say that you only want to look at it, and if you only want to look at it, that's because you want to keep checking the design to see what it looks like before you decide to make it public. I'll just leave it like that for now. You have to read this, and then, you know, most of the time it obviously will be no. Pay attention if you have designs that would fit this category and choose the correct answer here. Of course, you need to make sure you understand all of this here and legalese and everything, and then save work. I'm going to save input. Oh, please input the title. Oh boy, I forgot. So I'm just gonna put something simple at the moment. just to take a look at this and get past this video. Oops, apply change. I forgot that. So I'm going to apply change, and then that will make that look like that. And I'm not going to put that out there at the moment. Okay. You have 4 languages here. As long as you know that language well, you have to type everything out in that language in all of the fields. Alright, and this, write a description, makes it easier for people to find you. 4 to 8 words, so we're going to say abstract design. Dark colors. I'm just putting that there for now. Dark colors. Abstract. See, pink, black, blue. So there's some colors, green, teal. Okay, description. Abstract design of dark colors. Yeah. This is just for a sample at the moment. Now, I probably did something wrong here. I probably should have done this separate. Just for the sake of showing you all of that information, I'm going to leave it in here right now. And go all the way down. You have to fill all that out. And I'm going to save work. Let it process. See, now this is what all the phone cases are going to look like. I will say that I'm going to go back and change this to this because I already did all this work. And that's what happens sometimes. Sometimes you start doing something and then it's like, I want to do this. And if you do that, like this for instance, it's kind of all like, what is all of this? So if they write all these words here, they're going to be like, that's not pink, and you know. So what I should do, I can't save this into a different area. But what I can do, right? So let's say, oh, that looks terrible. That doesn't fit. So I can go to edit. And then I can replace. And then I can, I'm going to replace it with the phone case size. Whoops. Why does it look so weird? Okay. Yep. All right. And then I'm going to put, colors and water droplets. We got blue. Don't really have black, I guess. Let me see, purple. Purple. No pink. Purple, blue. Right? Go back here. Just for the sake of the video. Dark blue, purple, yellow, green, with water droplets. Okay, now we're going to go all the way down. Oh, stickers and magnets. All right, I'll leave that there. We're going to go... Oh, we're not going to do the pillow right now. I'm not going to do this right now. Actually, no, I'm just going to leave the phone case. Wait. Oh, I have to redo it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, look what it did. I have to go back in and redo it. Oh, it kept my background color. So if I go to, where was it, 29%. See, I remembered. Let's do the off-grid. Right? Oh my gosh, I have to go in and read. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Don't do it up here. You have to do it down here. Okay, so let me see. I do that sometimes. I'll put this up here and it's like, no, 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 I have to do it down here. All right, so I put a little side there and a little side there. You know, I kind of like that. So let's go down and save. Whew, I can't believe I did that. I have to redo it. I'm going to disable these other ones. Just going to do the phone, not the wallet, but the phone case. Okay, digital art, abstract design. Do we have kaleidoscope? Dark kaleidoscope. We'll leave that there. Yeah, we'll do that too. And then we'll do this as... Where's phone case, sticker, throw, tote, travel, water bottle. Oop, 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 oop. Pin, phone case, magnet. Long, where? iPhone wallet? No. iPhone case? Alright, I guess I'll just put that there. Okay. You can also delete work. If nothing's selling in that particular design, you can go in and just delete it. Alright, save work. Try again. See what we have now. Look at that. Now that matches, right? That's a little bit better. So that's the process. When you do things, you might think, oh, I want to do this or I want to do that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these just like that. Just for the phone cases. And that's it. I'm going to leave it like that. And that way I do the design just for that particular product. Then I could start over and upload a design for a different product. And there you go. You know? I like leaving the background color there. Sometimes it kind of gives it a overlay. I don't see that it does here, but it might. I don't know. Alright, so view. So this is what it looks like in the store for that particular item. And there you go. Mature content hidden. I don't know why I said that. English. Alright. So there you go. Some interesting information about how to set up Redbubble. If I go here, I click on this, I go down here. Okay, there's no comments because no one did any comments on this. If I go back and oh, it went back to this. Okay, so I click here. Now you know I just now uploaded this. Watch what happens. I just want to point something out. Click on the iPhone. There's the page that it's on for the person to buy it. Look at this. See? It has features, which is nice, but then it has reviews. 150 reviews. Now, I just now uploaded this. I didn't make any sales. I just did it. You saw I just did it just now. So these reviews are what Redbubble put here. From where? I don't know. So take that in stride. When you look at these products, you might want, if you look at the review, you're looking at the actual, maybe you're looking at like the product quality, but not that particular design. The person who made the design may or may not have anything to do with any of these reviews. You know, they might not be talking about this. They're just talking about maybe the case itself. Okay? Which is what this is talking about. You know, chip clip-on protective case. That's the actual case. Has nothing to do with the design. But the design, I just now posted up there. So, there you go. Alright, so I am going to close out this video. And that's what it's about. Oh, today is the last day they have. Redbubble has this code, finish line is almost finished. Use it now and save 25% statewide, site-wide. Their entire site, they want you to save 25%. They'll give you that discount if you order on the site, and trying to get it to you before Christmas, or get it to where it's going before Christmas. All right. Okay, have a nice holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and everything in between. And have a good one, YouTube. Thank you. Be safe.